another Friday. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Otherwise, welcome back. Today we are taking my wheels and my tires for the 240 that have been sitting here for a little bit longer than I'd like to admit, and we are getting them mounted. I am so excited. So I'm gonna load them up in Big Daddy and then we are gonna head over to the shop where Travis, the one and only, is gonna mount them for me. So I will see you outside. I was actually able to get all four wheels inside, which is what I wanted. I have three in the back and this guy chilling right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put all four tires in the bed of the truck. All four tires are loaded and we're gonna head over to the shop. I am so excited and I cannot wait to show y'all my wheels. So stay tuned. Protect the precious cargo at all costs. They're so pretty. Okay, we have one here, one up here, and the third one, or fourth one's back there. They did an absolutely outstanding job on my wheels and tires, and they don't usually do stretch tires, but for not usually doing them, I am really impressed. And I knew I would be. They did a great job on Big Daddy, and now they've done a great job on Veronica as well. So if you're in the Austin area and ever need some wheels and tires done, please hit me up. I'd love to send people their way. They are absolutely amazing. We are about to head home and we're gonna get these guys safe and sound inside. Well, my tires are on my wheels and they look so good. I'm so happy with them. I am so thankful for Travis and Noah, who both mounted and balanced them. They look so good and they were so gentle. It means the world to me how careful they were. So thank you to everyone over there. I really appreciate it. Thank you to Kevin for getting me in today. I am also very thankful to you. I'm so excited to see these on the car. Unfortunately, that won't be happening today. I'm still waiting on my back-ordered brakes, which did ship out today. So hopefully the next video you can see them on the car. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited for everything that I have to come in the future, and I hope you follow along so that you can be excited too. See you in a couple of weeks.